So guys, what we have here is our GBP JPY. Would want to see where this our GBP JPY will be moving for the next day. So before we get started, if you've not subscribed, make sure you do so. Like and also make your comments. I'd love to watch out for it. So in this, I'm going to give you multiple reasons why we'll be moving certain way for the next day. So this GBP JPY, I'm saying we will be having a bullish move right next day. Now I'm going to give you reasons. Is that first of all, you see that price has once reacted at this level, right? Once price came up to this level, you saw it dropped. It also reacted the same level again twice, right? We saw price reacted here. We saw that price has reacted at this level 3 times, right? You saw that once price went up, we saw that price dropped, reacted at this same level again. It bounces up, right, on GBP JPY. We saw price drop to the same level again, and price pushes up again, meaning another reaction, which is like 5 times reacting to this level, right? Now, guess what? Price is at this same level. It has dropped to this same level. So, what do we expect to happen on GBPJPY? Is that another reaction will actually occur. So, this is one of the reasons why I said GBPJPY will definitely open and close bullish, which is for on the 11th of November, 2020. So, 2022. Sorry, be expecting a bullish move to occur on GBP JPY. That is one. Second reason is that if you take a look at this JPY index, right? So this JPY index represents all our JPY peers. So if you take a look at the full trend, right, you can see that this JPY is on a bearish move, meaning any other peers who will be trading to our JPY will give us a bullish move. So since our JPY is bearish, now take a look at this movement here. We saw that at this level have alighted, right? Right? We saw that price has once reacted at this level. Price rolled up, right? Price came to the same level again. It came to this level, then it pushes up, meaning it's rejected there. Price came to this same level, pushes up, it's reacted at that level, right? We saw that once price broke above this level, right? Then price dropped. We had a pullback at the same level again on JPY index, right? Then price dropped, right? Now take a look at this level here. We would extend it. This our price is currently at the same level. So what do we expect to occur on this JPY index? Of course, a reaction, thereby our price will give us a bearish move. So we would want to see this price drop from a level of 807 to 799 on JPY index. So JPY index currently we are at a level of 807 or 828. Anyone would want to see it to drop to at least a level of 79, 799. So I'm speculating that this JPY index will drop to a level of 799. So as this JPY index is giving us a bearish move, that is to say that our JPY is on a bearish move. So any other pairs we will be trading to JPY will give us a bullish move. So this is one of the reasons why I said GBP JPY, we should expect a bullish move. So once this JPY is giving us a bearish move, then expect a bullish move on GBP JPY. Now let's take a look at another reason why I said we would move such a way is that if you take a look at this movement, impulse move, right? We can take a look at it as a correction, right? Now another huge impulse move has been made. So of course, what do you expect next after this huge impulse move? Of course, a correction should be made. So this correction would be bearish, right? So as this correction, which will be bearish, will occur on our JPY, then also expect a bullish move on our GBP to JPY. So as that JPY will give us a bearish move, then our GBP to JPY should give us another bullish move, right? So that is why I said GBP JPY be expecting a bullish move to be made, right? And now let's do this for our time frame 6. So I mean, we are kind of dropping, right? So if you want to enter this trade, right, you can. Let's first of all, we saw price reacted here, right? Once price came up, we saw a pullback which rejected and pushes up. We saw price drop to this level, push up. We saw price drop to this same level, push up. Now this price is at this same level, right? We will be expecting price to actually push up from this level. So before you actually go and get into this trade, right, I'd advise you wait for kind of like a multiple breakout structure upward on the 30-minute time frame. Possibly if that 30 minutes time frame give us a bullish move that breaks above this level, right? Then maybe you can go ahead to go long on this our GBP JPY. So just wait for a price to roll up first of all. Once price roll up and break above this level, then I would advise you to actually go long on GBPJPY, or possibly once price break above this level, a pullback should occur. Then you can now enter go long on GBPJPY. So GBPJPY above all for the next day, we want to see a bullish move.